Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami paper plane. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press well. Now form triangles from the top side of the paper. Now fold the tip. Now fold it and press well. Turn it and again fold. Again turn it and fold from the crease to the side. Again turn it. Now fold it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. Also make sure to share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Now fold it and press firmly. Now the scissor work. Cut, 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 cut. Shape it perfectly and it's done.